different spot today, heading into the harbour, into Wellington Harbour. Nick and some other lads, Dion, already in there. They sound like they're cleaning up. I went out on the inlet with the family just before, so a bit late to the piece, but looking forward to it. I've had mixed luck at the spot that we're going to. Like, I've caught a lot of fish there, but never really much that's legal. So sounds like it's going all right though. Let's hope it keeps going all right. See you soon. Good lesson to learn. Always put a twist in your strop when you strap your kayak on, so that when you get onto the motorway you don't realise you've forgotten and have to sit in this noise all the way to Wellington. Oh no! Tiny little mackerel. Ow! There's something here on the slow jig. Fuck, I like this rod. Even the smallest fish feels big. What have I got? Gurnard. Nice.
There you go. The spot isn't completely shit.
I'm on the board and I haven't jinxed it. It's not a donkey like you guys have been getting, but that'll do me. Gurnard. And again on the slow jig. Didn't even get to the bottom this time. Yeah, on the slow jig again. Oh, that one can go. That one can go back. A little bit little.
What is it? A burr or something?
The one on the slow jig. Not very big. No fight. Yeah, a little Gurnard. Another one on the slow jig.
Yeah, something hit on the way down.
I reckon that'll be a kahawai, Nick.
That'll be a kahawai. I haven't caught one for ages.
Another Gurnard here. Actually got a fish on a bait. Oh yeah, this is a bit more feisty.
Expensive?
Huh?
Is it that much expensive?
Which?
The bite on my up, look at what's home.
Oi. Oh nice. Good snap.
Nice.
Whoa. Tell you what, this slow jig's doing it for me today. Sweet. Oh, nice Gurnard. I think so.
No, this was way smaller than that.
Maybe Gurnard. Oh, there you go. That one's...
No, it's still bigger than Dale's one.
Ah. Sorry mate, I'm out fishing you. It's like a Gurnard nugget. Little ones, little ones. Lots of little ones. You go tell your daddy to come back. He was fished for quite a while. First one for ages. Nothing big, but it's better than not catching anything. It'll come home. Got a bit more going for it. Mate, this slow jig's awesome. It's like the first one I ever bought. It's beat up, it's got no colour left on it, still does the trick. Still my best one by a country mile. Oh mate, I had bloody fish skins and chicken and all sorts of shit on top of my burley bomb. Yeah, mate. Session. Nick's behind me, he's one fish off his bag limit, he's determined to get it. He let me out fish me today, although I did turn up really late. I've already been fishing a couple of hours, so I think I've got about 8 Gurnard and a snapper in the bag, which is happy with that. It's got pretty choppy and unpleasant over. How classy it was earlier, but